Okay guys, so we're gonna take a tour of the Louvre. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but right here, the Louvre Museum. And this is like the area where you can kind of like enter. So if you have a car, there's a lot of parking garages, or you can take an Uber or the train. They have a lot of train stations all around, and you can find the location for the Louvre to come and visit. So as soon as you arrive, this is exactly what you will see, and you will enter this way. Hey guys, so we are standing here in front of the Louvre. It's a museum which is actually really cool. They have the most iconic pictures, artwork, and sculptures in the world. And this is actually the home to the Mona Lisa, the original painting of the Mona Lisa. And it's really cool to go inside. And it's actually an underground museum. And they have different tour prices starting from 17 to 55 euros. And I know that sounds like maybe it's a little high, but like I always said in my videos, you have to bring a little extra money to splurge on something fun. And I feel like taking a tour of this museum is actually worth doing. These are some of the pictures that I took for you guys, since I couldn't do a lot of recording. Hey guys, so I know coming to Paris can be quite expensive, the flight and all, and hotels and maybe sometimes food, but a lot of the stuff that you can do in Paris is free. Like everything I've been showing you guys, we haven't paid for anything. This has all been free. Basically sightseeing, everything that you do out here in Paris is free, completely free. Looking at the Eiffel Tower day and night, that's free. Coming to all these monuments, these beautiful plazas, the parks, all of it is free. So if you're on a budget, you know, you already spent for the flight, the hotel, and you can definitely be on a budget out here. I know a lot of people think, oh, it's so expensive, Paris, but almost everything that you can do and see, I mean, the whole point is to come out here and see everything that you want to see, but for the most part, all of it is free, except for the Louvre. I mean, if you want to go and do the tour of the museum, that's actually something that I call splurging, you know, where you spend a little bit more money on something, save your money for those type of things. Climbing the Eiffel Tower, that costs money too, like 25 euros to go up there. But I showed you guys a lot of the places that you can come and do free things. One of the videos that I showed you guys where they have the monument that's it's like a church, the basilica, like Sucre something. I'll put the name up here so you guys can see it 'cause I can't pronounce it right. That's free. You can go there and get a beautiful view of all of Paris for free instead of having to climb the Eiffel Tower and paying for it to get a view of Paris. I mean, for me, I feel like the whole point of coming to see the Eiffel Tower, yeah, you can climb on it, but I'd rather just view it from down there, which is cool. You can't view it when you're on top. This is a budget-friendly bakery near the Louvre, and they offer items for breakfast, lunch, and even dessert at a very good price. Pomme de pain. And we got this, which is really good. This was €6, and it looks like half a pizza, but it's not pizza. And it has ham and cheese inside, and it's really good and crunchy. And I also got a coffee with milk for $2.90. So this was $6.50, this sandwich looking thing, and then this was, so altogether was €10 for breakfast, and I think it's a really decent price. And this is actually amazing. It tastes so good. Let's see if we can see a little bit more. And see, it has cheese. It's really good. I'll show you guys the coffee real quick. And it's actually very creamy, like the way I like it. I could taste the cream, which is good because I like coffee, creamy coffee. This is the hotel we're staying at for 3 nights. So this is the breakfast area. This box here. This is actually my mom's room for $125 a night. It's a small room, but that's how France is. Unless you pay for a very expensive hotel. This is the bathroom. But for the price, I think it's really good. I like it. Looks really cute and cozy. Let's see out the window. See if we have a view. That's nice. We have kind of like a view. Like a little garden view. This is our hotel room. It's $125 at night. I like it. It's not too big. It's not like a huge room. But for the prices, I think is amazing, and it's really cute. Let's see if we have a little bit of a view. Here's the bathroom. Hey guys, thank you for watching all my videos. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and go ahead and click on some of my other videos so that way you guys can see the tour that I did in Italy, and let me know in the comments below what you think.